In the intricate dance of social interaction, scent plays a pivotal role in shaping perceptions and leaving lasting impressions. For men, the art of smelling good transcends mere hygiene. It embodies a commitment to self-care and personal presentation. In a world where first impressions are often formed in seconds, the ability to exude a consistently refreshing aroma is a valuable asset, enhancing confidence and social allure. This comprehensive guide explores 10 essential tips for men seeking to master the art of olfactory excellence, offering practical insights and strategies for achieving enduring freshness. From cultivating impeccable personal hygiene to investing in quality grooming essentials, each tip serves as a building block in the pursuit of olfactory perfection. As we embark on this aromatic journey, let us unravel the secrets to always smelling good as a man, ensuring that every encounter is imbued with the unmistakable allure of confidence and sophistication. Tip 1 is showering regularly. The cornerstone of maintaining a consistently pleasant scent begins with the practice of regular showering. Embracing a daily shower routine serves as the fundamental step in upholding impeccable personal hygiene standards. Each shower session presents an opportunity to cleanse the body of accumulated sweat, bacteria, and grime that may have accumulated throughout the day or night. By incorporating this essential ritual into your daily schedule, you create a foundation of cleanliness upon which to build a refreshing aroma. When stepping into the shower, it's imperative to select a gentle yet effective soap or body wash. Opt for products that are formulated to cleanse the skin thoroughly without stripping it of its natural oils. A mild, hydrating cleanser will help to rid the skin of impurities while maintaining its moisture balance, ensuring that your skin remains supple and receptive to subsequent grooming products. Tip 2 is embrace antiperspirants or deodorants. Following your shower, the application of antiperspirants or deodorants assumes paramount importance in the quest for optimal freshness. These products play a dual role in controlling body odor and minimizing sweat production, thereby fortifying your defenses against unpleasant smells throughout the day. Antiperspirants function by temporarily blocking sweat glands, thereby reducing the amount of perspiration that reaches the skin's surface. On the other hand, deodorants work to neutralize odor-causing bacteria, ensuring that any residual sweat remains odor-free. When selecting antiperspirants or deodorants, opt for products that align with your personal preferences and olfactory sensibilities. Choose scents that complement your natural body odor, creating a harmonious olfactory experience that enhances your overall freshness. Tip 3 is launder clothes regularly. Neglecting the regular laundering of clothes can inadvertently create an environment conducive to the proliferation of odor-causing bacteria, which in turn detracts significantly from one's overall freshness. This seemingly mundane task holds immense importance in the realm of personal hygiene and grooming. By prioritizing the washing of garments that come into direct contact with the body, such as underwear, socks, and undershirts, individuals can mitigate the risk of unpleasant odors permeating their attire and, by extension, their persona. When embarking upon the laundering process, it is essential to select high-quality detergents capable of effectively cleansing fabrics without compromising their integrity. Opting for detergents formulated with antibacterial properties can further bolster efforts to eradicate odor-causing microbes, thus safeguarding against malodorous emanations. Moreover, thorough rinsing is paramount to ensure the complete removal of any residual odors, leaving garments fresh and revitalized. In addition to the practical benefits of laundering clothes regularly, this routine serves as a testament to one's commitment to personal care and hygiene. Tip 4 is prioritize oral hygiene. In the intricate tapestry of personal grooming, oral hygiene occupies a prominent position, wielding considerable influence over one's overall scent profile. The significance of maintaining optimal oral freshness cannot be overstated, as bad breath has the potential to swiftly undermine one's efforts to exude a pleasant aroma. As such, adhering to a rigorous dental care regimen emerges as a non-negotiable aspect of one's daily routine. Central to this regimen is the practice of twice-daily brushing, a cornerstone of oral hygiene that serves to remove food particles, plaque, and bacteria from the teeth and gums. By utilizing fluoride toothpaste and employing proper brushing techniques, individuals can effectively combat the accumulation of odor-causing substances, thereby fostering a pristine oral environment. Supplementing brushing with flossing further enhances the efficacy of oral hygiene efforts, as it targets areas between the teeth and along the gum line that are inaccessible to traditional brushing alone. This proactive approach to plaque removal not only contributes to fresher breath, but also promotes gum health and overall oral well-being. Furthermore, the integration of mouthwash into one's daily routine offers an additional layer of protection against bad breath, as it helps to neutralize odor-causing bacteria and refresh the oral cavity. Opt for alcohol-free mouthwashes containing antibacterial agents for optimal results, and incorporate them into your oral care regimen after brushing and flossing. Tip 5 is monitor dietary intakes. The adage, "You are what you eat," resonates profoundly in the realm of olfactory matters, highlighting the intricate connection between dietary choices and bodily odors. Certain foods, notably those rich in sulfur compounds like garlic and onions, have earned notoriety as primary contributors to malodorous breath and skin emanations. The pungent aromas emitted by these culinary delights can linger long after consumption, leaving an indelible imprint on one's olfactory profile. Focusing on the consumption of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can bolster internal freshness while mitigating the risk of undesirable odors. These nutrient-rich staples not only nourish the body, but also contribute to overall well-being. Tip 6 is tend to footwear hygiene. Footwear and socks, while essential accoutrements of daily life, harbor the potential to serve as breeding grounds for unpleasant odors, particularly when subjected to prolonged wear. To combat the insidious threat of footwear-induced odors, men are advised to adopt a proactive approach to footwear hygiene. Begin by implementing a rotational system for shoes, allowing ample time for each pair to air out between uses. In addition to these preventative measures, consider integrating foot powders or sprays into your daily routine to combat moisture and bacterial proliferation within shoes. Tip 7 is devote attention to facial hair. Facial hair, whether it be a rugged beard or a meticulously groomed mustache, requires diligent care to maintain both its aesthetic appeal and its olfactory neutrality. For men embracing the rugged allure of facial hair, meticulous grooming becomes indispensable in ensuring a consistently fresh and inviting aroma. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal, it's about cultivating a scent that complements your overall presentation. Tip 8 is invest in quality grooming essentials. Elevating your grooming routine transcends mere functionality. It's an investment in self-care and personal presentation. Just as a well-tailored suit can elevate your appearance, premium quality grooming products can enhance your scent profile while nurturing the health of your skin and hair. When it comes to grooming essentials, prioritizing products formulated with natural ingredients and appealing fragrances can make all the difference. Look for formulations enriched with nourishing botanical extracts, vitamins, and essential oils, which not only cleans and hydrate, but also impart a subtle, lingering fragrance that accentuates your natural scent. Tip 9 is cultivate holistic hygiene habits. Beyond the realm of grooming, holistic hygiene practices play a pivotal role in perpetuating a fresh and invigorating aura. Trim nails regularly, attend to ear hygiene conscientiously, and remain vigilant in addressing areas prone to sweat and bacterial accumulation. By embracing a comprehensive approach to hygiene, you can uphold a consistently pleasant scent that resonates with others. The pursuit of olfactory excellence necessitates a multifaceted approach encompassing personal hygiene, grooming rituals, and lifestyle choices. As you embark on this olfactory odyssey, consider integrating products like Amuka Men's shampoo and glycolic acid serum into your grooming arsenal for enhanced efficacy and refinement.